Right. Ake sibuke lesi sibalo lesi. We are given a triangle. But into enginterestayo ngaso sibuyisa izinto eziningi. Here is a triangle. Bese kuthiwa express angle A in terms of B and C. Unikezwe i-triangle wena nansi kwase kuthiwa expressa u-angle A in terms of B and C. Njengo grade 12 nazi izinto ezikhumbulayo. Uyakhumbula wena ukuthi mawuhlanganisa u-A plus B plus C fanele uthole u-180 degrees because i-reason yakho it's a sum of angles of a triangle. Therefore u-angle A uyalingana no 180 degrees, right? Minus B plus C. Anti ayibona lento. Nansi. Nangu angle A wakho. Mawu expressa in terms of B and C. Now A wakho. Bese kuthiwa